a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.